The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has a couple of really cool features that aren't often discussed. Some of them are brand new. Some of them I would call hidden because they're not that obvious. Now, they're not hidden like you need a secret password to get into them, but let's start. Number one is going to be custom modes. So if you're someone who shoots in slow motion often, but you also do talking head videos at 24 frames per second, maybe you do social media content at 30 frames per second, rather than having to go in and change all of those settings, you can customize your frame rate, your color profile, and save that to a custom setting. How do you get there? So what you want to do is go into the menu by swiping down on the screen. The first icon in the upper left-hand side looks like a little person, little bust shot. That is where you save and access your custom modes. I believe you can save up to 5 of them. So once again, this is handy if you're doing slow motion, HLG, if you have more than one setting that you like to access. Next is going to be the smart gimbal modes. So you're in video mode and you'll notice the icon on the middle left. When you press on that, there are 3 different smart gimbal modes that you can access. One is face auto detect, the other is dynamic framing, and the third is the spin shot. Dynamic framing is really cool if you want to get some smooth shots. Tap on dynamic framing and hit start, and then you'll see the 3 dots on the screen. Using your joystick, select which one of those 6 points that you want to be the focus. So if I selected this point right here, then as I move the gimbal, it's going to always keep that object in that section of the frame. Really handy for getting smooth footage. No matter how smooth you are working this gimbal, it will keep it in frame. It'll keep it in that section of the frame for you. Really handy if you're doing like a product shot, or if you just want something that's kind of nice and smooth and tracking wise. And speaking of active track, there's a really easy shortcut. If you don't want to go into that menu, if you triple tap, you enable active track. With this active track shortcut, there is something that differentiates it from the dynamic active tracking, which is the dynamic active tracking is going to keep that object or subject precisely in that 3rd section of the frame as you move. When you do this with just triple tapping on the screen, it may shift a little bit. It may also, as you move the camera, not keep it in that section of the frame that you want it to be in. That's something you need to consider when you're moving the camera around. If you want that object just to be followed, or if you want it followed in a section of the screen, that's going to differentiate between the triple tap on the screen versus going into the dynamic active tracking menu. So this next thing is more of a feature that they updated in one of the more recent firmware updates. They kind of fixed the focus breathing compensation. So what that means is as you tap from one object to the next to focus from something in the foreground to the background, the jump isn't as harsh. It's a smoother transition from one subject to the other. Another feature that's been around for a little while is the built-in mic audio backup. If you're using the Mic 2, you can also record audio from the device. If you wanted to get sort of the background noise, say you're outside near a stream and you want some of that to be in there, it's a separate audio file, so that gives you more control over your audio. So you can now shoot 4K 120 frames per second in D-Log-M or HLG. Up until recently, if you were shooting 4K 120, you were in the normal color profile. So now you have more options to shoot slow motion and to work in these different color formats that I think are better. So that's a huge plus to me. So those are the main functions that are outside of the normal settings that I use, which are the gimbal modes, the frame rates, the color profile, and just, using the Mimo app. I'd like to know what your favorite features are on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Go out and create some great things.